The FBI demanded Apple unlock a terrorist's iPhone. Tim Cook said no. The government threatened him with contempt of court. Stock prices dropped. Politicians called him unpatriotic. He could have quietly complied, given them a back door, avoided the headlines. Instead, he stood firm. We will not break the encryption that protects 1 billion users. The backlash was swift. Legal battles, congressional hearings, death threats. But something unexpected happened. Sales surged globally. Privacy-conscious customers flocked to Apple. Today, Apple is worth over $3 trillion. One decision: protect users or protect profits. Cook chose principle over pressure and built an empire on trust.